Hey, good afternoon. Bob Trade Genius here, the 28th of February. Good thing tomorrow's not leap year because people might be wanting to leap out of the stock market here. I've been telling you guys it's going to get real here. And before I do that though too is that we last day of our winter special, and we have a 50% off code, 50me, but chances are by the time you listen to this video, we've used up the slots. So if you're listening to the video as kind of a thank you for listening, is that you can use Bob says one word if the 50me doesn't take. Okay, so great opportunity here for you. We've been pretty right on the market here, and we have good signals that keep us on the right side. So I'm going to start off with Bitcoin, then I'm going to go over to SPY. And I'm telling you, the correlations, it certainly seems to be whenever there's a bit of a panic in the markets, Bitcoin gets bid, and the cryptos in general get bid, and but Bitcoin most certainly does. And right here, as soon as that market started to get a little hinky today, Bitcoin started to move right back up, back into the channel. Okay, and this thing looks like it's ready for a push higher again. So let me go to the daily here. That's what I've been showing you guys. Okay, see, it's trying to get over there. Once it crosses this thing again, I'm gonna say to 12K, and then to grind up to the thing here. And if you notice here, this was also has been a high volume area too. So when you look back over time, you go from the low volume to high volume right to the measure move area. So feeling very good about holding Bitcoin here. It's making a decision. I talked to you about point of control this morning. It's climbing over it, and so the path of least resistance should be to this number here. Okay, so let's keep an eye on it, but we'll see what happens with the market tomorrow if they try to lift the SPY to see if the money will come out of Bitcoin or not. But it looks pretty good so far. And then let me flip over to SPY here, and all day long SPY was doing fine, and then now it's breaking down out of the channel. Now, what I think is going to happen, tomorrow's the first of the month. Money comes into the markets on the first of the month, just on autopilot. And this could be a sell-off for people getting out in February for redemptions. So my suspicion, if we look on an hourly, kind of see a little bit better, is my suspicion is that, you know, we have a shoulder here, got a head here, that we Thursday, Friday, we drift back up higher again, and then come down in the next week and make our low. That's my speculation. And I've been short with SPY puts, and I went ahead and I sold some 272s under my 274s, which I rolled down from 275. So I'm looking for a bit of a retrace Thursday and Friday, and if not Thursday, Friday for sure. And then next week I think we continue on with the this move back down to here. This needs to be tested, and once this gets tested, then we'll see what the market has in store for us. So I'm looking for a pop, and then just continue down. You have to realize that with volatility at the level it's at, and the 10-year yield where it is at, risk managers must start pairing stock allocations. They have no choice. And with bond yields pushing up so high, there's an attraction now for those same risk managers to allocate back from stocks back into bonds. So I think that's what I think is going to happen. Oil just got clubbed today. Okay, so like I said, oil looks pretty nasty here, and this could bounce like this but come down again. And what's interesting to me is that gold held up pretty well today. So a little bit of that fear is at the bottom of its channel here. You know, a little bit of that fear may even if the dollar starts moving up, people may say, you know what, I'm going to hold non-banking assets. I think that's what you're going to find here now. Money's going to start moving from financial assets into hard assets, but it'll move into non-banking assets first as the dollar strengthens. And I think this whole big sell-up people have been expecting in gold may never happen. And that's why I haven't sold my minor positions, even though they're a little underwater, and I intend to add to them over the next couple days. So so that's that. And then the last thing I'll talk about is on natural gas. So I have Southwest Energy. I bought some more again. Tomorrow the report, and I think my risk is down here at this low, and I'm willing to take that risk because the upside is pretty beautiful. And even though UNG showing down 13 cents here, natural gas was flat today. This is a little bit of the futures roll thing, but if you get any bid on natural gas tomorrow and its report, then you'll see UNG just pop really well. And so that's my theme right now. Still short the market, but hedged long natural gas. And I closed my oil puts off almost flat. So I didn't want to hold them. Next couple days may go down real farther, but I was just a little early on oil, so I'm happy to get out of it with just losing pennies on it. And that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys later. Remember, check out the specials. Come join us. We're going to have a great time here because when volatility gets high like this, a lot of trading opportunities. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.